Welcome, this is Rosani. Let's assemble a papier mâché mushroom. I'm using these two little mushroom pieces as an example, but use this on any of your styles. We've got one stem, some liquid starch, and one cap. Let's begin. Dip it into the liquid starch and center it inside of the mushroom cap. This can be done in the palm of your hand, or you can use a little cap to balance it. And that's what I'm going to do in this instance. Use what will work best for you. And I'm also going to use a bamboo pick to help me. Balance it while you're working on attaching the stem. It may be a little wobbly at first. Once it's steady, you can begin to reinforce it between the mushroom cap and the stem. And we're going to do this with little pieces of paper napkin dipped in the liquid starch. And we're going to go all the way around, tucking it in, pressing it so that it connects the stem to the cap. Do this until the mushroom is completely steady and you'll be able to turn it upright. You may prefer to use glue. That's totally your choice. Once the pieces are attached together, it works best if you allow it to dry before turning it upright. This is the same mushroom. I'd like to show you the inside of it. You can see I've changed it around once it dried, and I added color, and that's coming right up. But you can see where I attached the two pieces. So here we go. I'm going to use a little ball of papier mâché yellow pulp, which has already been mixed with the liquid starch. And I'm going to flatten it out into a little circle. I'm dampening the top of the mushroom cap, and I'll press it down, going all the way around so that it sticks very nicely. And I just smooth it onto the surface, covering as much area as possible. And I can leave some parts of it blank because I'm going to add another type of pulp to it. You can make it solid colors, you can make it multicolors, however you want. Making mushrooms are so much fun, and I enjoy making fantasy mushrooms. And this one has a lot of texture on it. I'm going to set this one aside to dry a little bit before I work on some more pulp. By the way, this is the type of project that works with almost any age, so it's a perfect thing to do with the entire family. You can make all kinds of little mushrooms and other projects too. Please visit my playlist to learn more. And thank you for watching.